Hi all, here we introduce you to Constructera, one of the best business and construction WordPress theme that comes up with 3 different pre-built demos. Here are the demos present to you. If you want to have a closer look, please check out demo links right below in the bio of this video. All these 3 demos can be imported with just one click. Super easy and convenient. You also get 3 plugins worth $65 free of cost with this particular theme. So this is one of the plugins, another FS gallery, and ultimate form builder free with this theme. 3 different header layouts are present in this theme. Also, a highly customizable based panel comes up with this theme. Here you can see anything is customizable. Also, a highly configurable home page is present, and all these beautiful sections are there in the theme, like the About Us section. Tell your story. Features section. Put down all what you are about. The service section with 3 different layout options. We even have a beautiful blog section that makes you able to present all your recent blogs, and also a portfolio section with 3 different layout options. An attractive call to action. We have testimonial section with 2 different layouts. Present your client testimonials in an attractive way. Also, we've got preloader options and a built-in maintenance page. It's completely compatible with WooCommerce, and we also have 2 different theme section layouts. So these were some of the features and functionalities that Constructera presents. Now, if you want to know more about this theme, please check our links in the bio of this video. We've got the description of this particular theme by the demo link, the documentation link, the purchase link. And if you have any more questions about Constructera, please let us know in the comment section right below. Also, if you would like us to do some more videos of theme introductions like these, please let us know in the comment section. Do subscribe for more such videos, and hope you check the links of this particular theme in our video. Thank you. Please subscribe for more.